Right, Holly, 54 is your best mark so far, which is a grade D. Let's see if you can improve on 54 this time round. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that 21? It looks like 4. That looks like a 4 to me, but there's no 4 in there. So I'll give you the benefit of the doubt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 7, 6, 3, 0. That's to the nearest 10. To the nearest 100, there's your 100, so it's either going to be 7600 or 7700, and it's nearer to 7,600. And then similarly, this one isn't the nearest 1,000, that one is to the nearest 100. To the nearest 1,000, 7 is in the thousands column, so it's either going to be 7,000 or 8,000, and it's nearer to 8,000. Factors of 25, all the numbers that divide into 25 exactly. There's 2 of them, and also 5 5s are 25. 8, 7, 4, 3 is correct. The smallest odd number, well, what I suggest you do for that is first of all make the smallest number. So the smallest number, you'd have the digits going smallest to largest, so it would be 3, 4, 7, 8. Now that's an even number, so for odd number you'd switch those two around to make the smallest odd. 700 is correct, that is correct. That's what you're going to try and do, but you need to do the maths. That one is correct. So what I would do there is, first of all, if you round it to £2 a book, then she'd get 10. So 10 lots of that would be £16, and then work out how many more she can get with the other 4 quid. 4, 5, 6, 10 for the first page. That's correct. 220 take away 40 is 180. Yes. So 180 is the monthly payment times 9. Cost, take away the deposit, 220 take away 40 is 180. That must be the monthly payment times 9. So you divide that by 9 equals £20. We're looking for you to draw a tally chart there. So you're doing colour, red, black, yellow, green. Tally, so blue, red, yellow, green, blue, red, green, blue, and so on, and then turn that into a bar chart. 36 centimeters is correct. That is wrong. The units are right though. The area of that shape is the area of that rectangle, which is 3 times 9, which is 27. And then we've got this other rectangle here, which is 6 times 3, which is 18. So the total area of that shape is going to be 27 plus 18, which is 45 centimeters squared. So your area work is wrong, but you got the units right. So 4 marks for that question. Nine rows, 1 mark. Obtuse, 1 mark. So I'm guessing that you're just quickly doing things that you don't have to think about here, just to give me something to mark, because there's things here that I'm positive you're capable of doing. So shot mel here is -40. Llyn Colwyd is 355. So you're looking for the distance between 355 above, then you got 0, and then you've got 40 below. So the total distance is going to be from there down to there, 395. Forward to the page. For that. Okay, points are all in the right place, but you need, for a conversion graph, to draw the line that goes through them. That's good. Out the page. It isn't 1 hour 13 minutes. Those two are right. So the 10:55 from Swansea gets into Bridgend at that time, and gets off at Newport, which is that time. So what I'm looking for is to see you working with those two times in order to get a mark. So from 11:25 to 12:25 is an hour, so it's less than an hour. So you want to work out how many minutes it is. 2 for the page. Okay, so with this one, what you should have done is a bar graph. So when you're going like that, what you started to draw was a frequency polygon. Now if you're drawing a frequency polygon, you plot on the midpoints, but then you would join them up. Okay, so that's a mistake that you've made there. Let me see if I can credit you any marks for what you've done. No. So 7 marks for the page. Alright, so what were we looking for? What's your best? 54. Let's see if you've got anywhere near 54 then. 10, 12, 16, 18, 22, 27, 29, 33, 40. Very patchy that one, Holly. Very patchy. It's an E. It's 8 marks from a D. At least 20 marks away from a C. At least 20 marks away from where you need to be. So you've really got to start getting a bit more focused now than you have been. Otherwise you're going to be leaving it too late to improve.